Hey there. I don't think I've seen you around before. I'm Mary, by the way.
Hi, Mary. Nice to meet you.
I'm John.
I just moved here a few days ago.
Oh, cool. Where are you from?
I'm from a small town near New York City, but before coming here, I was living in Chicago for a couple of years.
Interesting. What brings you here?
I'm a photographer, and I heard there's a great photography scenery here. I don't want to miss that.
That's what I call passion. We've got an amazing landscape around here.
Oh yeah, I love it. I can't wait to start exploring the area. What about you? Do you live around here?
Yes. I've been here most of my life. My parents bought a house here, so I feel home here.
Amazing. What's your hobby?
I love baking in my free time, especially trying out new recipes.
That's awesome. Maybe we can swap some tips sometime. A delicious dessert deserves a great photo, right?
Absolutely. Well, it was nice meeting you, John. Have a good one.
Thanks, Mary. You too. Maybe I'll see you around.
Sure.
My stomach is growling like a bear, as if I haven't eaten in days.
Mine too. I guess we've got to figure out something very quickly before I start shaking.
Exactly.
What are you thinking? Pizza or tacos?
Pizza sounds good, but I feel like we had that last night.
You're right. How about Thai? Pad Thai for the win?
Tempting, but I haven't had a good burger in ages. Maybe we can try that new place on Ninth Avenue?
The one with the bacon jam? Now you're talking.
But what about that ramen place we've been wanting to try?
Okay, here's the deal. Do we want something comforting and familiar, or adventurous and potentially life-changing?
Comforting sounds good right now, but, oh man, I don't know.
Life-changing is a bold statement for ramen, but I get it. We could always try it another time.
Wait, how about we split a burger and fries, and then grab some ramen to go for later?
Genius. Now that's what I call a win-win situation.
All right, let's go. Ramen coma can wait. Burgers first.
This machine won't take my boarding pass. My flight boards in 10 minutes.
Having trouble? Maybe I can help?
Yes, please. I can't scan my boarding pass, and it won't let me check in.
Looks like you just need to switch this option to mobile boarding pass instead of printed.
Thank you so much. It works now. I was panicking.
You're welcome. Safe travels.
Thanks. You saved me. Gotta run now. My gate is this way. Thanks again. Excuse me, do you have a moment?
Sure. How can I help you?
I'm trying to find the art museum, but I seem to be a little turned around.
The art museum? It's actually quite close.
Really?
Yes. Just keep walking straight down this path for about 5 minutes, and you'll see it on your left. It's a beautiful building. You can't miss it.
Fantastic. Thank you so much. I was worried I was headed the wrong way.
You're welcome. Enjoy the exhibits.
Thanks. Hi, John. How was your weekend?
Hi, Mary. It was good. I finally finished building that model airplane I've been working on.
Oh, cool. Did you take any pictures? I know you love capturing the details of your models.
Actually, I did. They came out great. I might post them online later. What about you? Did you get to do any rock climbing this weekend?
I sure did. We went to a new climbing gym on the outskirts of town. It had this amazing wall with a waterfall feature. So cool.
Wow, that sounds incredible. I'd love to see some pictures sometime.
Absolutely. Maybe you could show me some of your airplane photos in return?
Definitely. And hey, if you're ever interested in trying out model building, let me know. It's surprisingly relaxing.
Thanks, John. Maybe I will give it a shot sometime.
You need to. You won't regret it.
Hello?
Hey, Mary. It's me, John. How's your day going?
John? Hi. It's going well. A little crazy at work as usual. What about you?
Can't complain. Just finished up a meeting. Did you remember to pick up milk on your way home?
Completely forgot. Thanks for the reminder. I'll definitely grab some. Anything else we need?
Let me see. I think we're good. We only need milk.
Okay.
I was wondering if you wanted us to have dinner at that new Thai place tonight. I saw they just opened up on Elm Street.
Ooh, Thai food sounds amazing. Let me just check my schedule real quick. Yes, I'm free. Let's do it.
Great. I'll make a reservation for around 7:30. Will that be okay?
It's perfect. See you then.
See you.
Hello?
Hi, it's John. How are you doing?
Hi, John. I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
I'm good too. Just got back from a long hike. You know how much I love the outdoors.
That sounds like a lot of fun. I've been busy with my photography projects. You remember I started that course, right?
Yes, I do. How's that going?
It's going great. I'm learning a lot and really enjoying it.
That's awesome to hear. We should catch up in person soon.
Absolutely. Let's plan something for next weekend.
Sounds good. Talk to you later. Take care.
You too. Goodbye.
Hi. You seem new here. My name is John. What is your name?
Hi, I'm Mary. Yes, I'm new in the neighborhood. I just moved here from San Francisco.
Pleased to meet you.
Pleased to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Boston, Massachusetts.
Welcome to Chicago.
Thank you. And you? Where are you from?
I'm from Phoenix, Arizona, but I grew up here in Chicago.
That's great.
What do you do for work?
I'm a pediatrician. And you?
I'm an information security analyst. I hope you will enjoy the place.
I surely will.
Good to hear. It was nice talking to you.
It was nice talking to you too. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day too. Bye.
Bye.
Excuse me, Miss Johnson?
Hello there. Yes, that's me. Can I help you find something?
Hi. I'm hoping so. I'm working on a research paper about the history of the printing press, but I'm a little lost with all these resources.
What an interesting topic. Let's see. For primary sources, have you checked the microfilm collection in the back? They might have some old newspaper articles on the topic.
No, I haven't. That's a great idea. Thank you.
And for secondary sources, there are a few good books on the history of technology over on the far wall. There's also a database called ProQuest that you can access on the computers here, which has tons of academic journals.
Perfect. I'll definitely take a look at those. Is there a specific journal you'd recommend?
Well, the Journal of Media History might be a good place to start.
Awesome. Thank you so much for your help, Ms. Johnson.
You're welcome. Don't hesitate to ask if you have any other questions. Happy researching.
Hi there. Did you find everything you needed today?
Hi. Yes, I think so. Just these groceries and some pet supplies. But I can't find paper towels. They seem to be hiding from me.
Paper towels can be elusive sometimes. Let me check in the back for you. Shouldn't be a problem.
That would be fantastic. Thank you.
We're all good. Found a fresh pack right at the back.
Awesome. You're a lifesaver.
Happy to help. That will be $23.78. How would you like to pay today?
Debit card, please. Oh shoot, I think I left my reusable bags at home.
No problem at all. We have paper bags here if you need them, or there are some reusable ones for purchase at the end of the register.
Maybe I'll grab a reusable one. Better for the environment in the long run.
Absolutely. We have a few different sizes. Which one would you like?
Let me see. The medium one should be good. And while you're at it, could I grab a pack of those chocolate chip cookies by the register? They look delicious.
Coming right up. All right, that adds $4.99 for the bag and $2.50 for the cookies. Your total comes to $31.27.
Sounds good. I can swipe the card now. Thanks for all your help today.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too.